Hello, good morning. Welcome to ISE 2024 from Screenint. My name is Ilaria, and today I would like to present to you our new projection surface, ALR-UST. So this surface, as you can see from the image, has very bright colors and a very good contrast, even having natural light or artificial light right above the screen. And it's perfect for a wide range of applications. It goes only on fixed frame screens. In this case, it's mounted on our Leonardo frame screen that has a thin bezel with velvet, so that it really helps to have a very nice finish. And also, just in case that, for example, the image goes a little bit above the projection surface, it helps to absorb light. This is paired with our UST sliding drawer. That is a very helpful solution for home cinema and UST projection. For example, when the projector is not in use, the drawer can be just closed to have a tidy installation, and when it needs to be used, you can just push it out to have a bigger image on the screen. It is available in two different colors, black and white, and of course the end stop can be modified at the convenience of the installation. Thank you very much for your attention, and for any information please go on to our website screenint.com. Thank you.